Guys, nandito kami sa Lian, Batangas. Here. Ayan. Kulay asul po yung tubig. Ay, kulay green. Ayan guys. Napakalalim. Kitang-kita yung bato. Ayan guys, doon dati pumapasok pa kami niyan sa ilalim guys. Pero right now, I don't know. This is not safe for me. And then, yes. How many time I'm waiting here in the walking. They are all around this San Diego, Batangas. Look at this, guys. The big wave in this world. Look. And then look at that guy. Wow. That was amazing, guys. The color of the water, it's also blue and green. Oh, look. Oh. You see what I see? Okay, guys. This is my turn. I just want to langoy-langoy na there. Okay, guys. And then, I'm only 5 minutes here because I will go back in the Nasugbo. Okay. See you soon, guys. I'm here. Ganda dito. Yan na guys, oh. Nasugbo, Batangas.
Tanong ko pa nga. Grabe sa mga nangyayari tayo na. Akin na. Laki na yung isla.